Instead of a brick in the wall, I'm starting my day with a crack in the wall. Alright, so all in all, we're just a crack in the wall. Doesn't sound nearly as good as a brick in the wall. So I found that out. I started singing it and I was like, yeah, that doesn't sound good at all. Alright, so today is May 17, 2024. I am Michael from Michael and Jenny on YouTube, and today I'm going to go out and get some lunch. Right now it's a little bit early for that, so just going to take my time, drive around a little bit, but probably just record the lunch for you. And then today is another rainy day. I don't understand this weather. It just continues to rain. It's cloudy, it's dark, you know. I don't know. Something about it just kind of irks me a little bit, because I'm ready for spring to really spring and summer to get here and get that started with some sunshine. So, all right, enough talk. Let's get started. Another fantastic view of the trains here in southern Ohio. Okay, so instead of doing a food review today, I decided to get out and walk a little bit because I already ate my lunch at work. They had some biscuit and gravy, which was delicious. Ate 3 biscuits and some gravy, and then I had some pie, some type of cream cheese, I believe, a cream cheese pie. It had strawberries on it, so it was delicious as well. So kind of ate for free today. Decided not to spend money and just get out and walk a little bit and look at some buildings. Okay, so on my lunch break today, I thought I'd go out and look at some buildings. My building that I keep my lawnmower in, it's pretty much shot. I'm gonna have to replace it soon. This is a little overview of what they have here on the lot at Old Hickory. And this is Old Hickory Buildings, and they have a website here, oldhickorybuildings.com. And it looks like they have pricing on the inside as well. So I'm gonna go inside and take a look. And this is inside of the building, which it's going to be kind of hard to see, I'm sure, because it's so dark in here. But we'll do our best here, so I'll give you a little look around. And once again, it might be a little difficult to read, but it's a lofted barn, 6'3" walls. It looks to be about $4,665 for this particular building here. And this size is 10 by 12. And this one does have a little loft up there as well. This is very similar to the building I have. I'm going to assume this one's just a tad bit larger. But mine might be the same size. It just has a lot more stuff in it. But it's very close to this. And this is the outside of the building that we were just in. And it does have metal roofing as well. And this is another little building here, which I actually like this. This is about the right size. Probably I don't need nothing too big, to be honest. Just get my riding lawnmower out of the weather. And this one here I do like. It is nice. And I do not see a pricing list on this one inside, but this one is pretty nice. And I do like the color of this, the red and black. It's a dark red, and this says a traditional quality Old Hickory Buildings. So I'm gonna go inside this one if I can get in it here. And they seem to be using the same flooring. And this one does have a price on it, so I'll take a look at the pricing on this one. And this one here, it says it's a 10 by 12. It's right there. It might be hard for you guys to read, everyone to read there, but it looks to be about $3,545. This one I actually like a lot. And this one here is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna go inside and take a look at this one. This is a pretty good looking one as well. Might be able to get in this one, a little harder to get into. And this one's a little taller for sure. All right, this one here is $4,290. It's a 10 by 12, but it's got the utility 8 walls on it. So you could definitely tell it's a little taller. And once again, the same type of flooring there. And they do have a few of these that look like cabins, which, you know, I always thought about, you know, I think a lot of men do. Kind of take one of those, turn it into a house, put it on some blocks or something like that. So that's not what I'm looking for today, but I'm definitely going to go inside and just take a look around. All right, this is a repo in here, and this is like the cabin style. I'm going to go inside and take a look at this one. You can definitely tell people have lived in it or tried to live in it or something for sure. So this is a little inside look of this particular cabin here. And it looks like they even tried to insulate it perhaps at one time. You got some papers down there. And just curious by nature, this is the Daily Times. And this is from December 23, 2023. Yeah, December 23rd, 2023. I don't know why, but I find stuff like this interesting. And this is the loft here, and you can tell somebody's tried to insulate it up there on top. And even try to put some piping in, it looks like, down here. And I'm going to go into another one. You can actually add a workbench to your custom order. It says here $17 per foot. And go in and take a look at this one as well. And once again, this is a pretty nice size building. And they have $5,070 on this one. This is a 10 by 16, which you can tell it's a little bit larger. And it does have the utility 8 walls there. And this is another cabin style. I'm gonna go inside here and take a look. Got a little porch on this one. And this is the inside, which I do like these windows. I feel like the windows are really nice, you know, really nice windows. And there is no price on this one, but this one is quite smaller than the other cabins that I've been in. And they do have 2 cabins here with the wraparound porch going there. I'm going to go into this one first, then I'll go into the other one next. And I do like this collar. It kind of pops with the white for me there. Now, see, I do struggle with collar, so I have a difficult time seeing what this really is. But I would say it's I'm going to say like a dark gray or silverish kind of collar. So, and they do have little signs here, tradition of quality since 1987, Old Hickory Buildings. So that's pretty nice right there. All right, let's go inside. The porch is nice. I'll give you a better look at the porch here. And that's the porch, and it, you know, put a chair, maybe a table over there or something like that. And it does wrap around here. And then it leads inside. Pretty good size. It's not very long, but pretty decent size. And then you got this little part up here is nice. I would imagine this is where you could probably put like a kitchen table or something if you really wanted to. And it just wraps around. And I don't see any pricing hanging on the walls on this one either. Unless it's behind the door, which I do not think it is. Nope, I didn't see it, so. All right, head back out, go on to the next one. All right, and this one's all wood looking here, so I'm gonna get up on the porch. Once again, a little place there, and it does come out, which this is pretty nice. It does come out. It looks really nice. And let's go inside and take a look. And that is your flooring there. And I do have a wasp above my head here. Don't know if you can see it or not on camera. It is a little dark in here. But I heard him before I saw him. And once again, it wraps around as well. They do have a little loft up here. But once again, no pricing, and I don't want to get stung here. No pricing on the wall, but not too bad. All right, the door is open on this building, so let's go ahead and go inside. This is definitely bigger than what I would need for my lawnmower. But for YouTube, I'll just get it on video. And they do have the pricing over here on this one. And the pricing for this one is $5,280, and it looks to be a 10 by 16 with 8-foot walls. So pretty good size. And this gives you a little overview of all the buildings that Hickory has on their lot here. And this is really good size building. I'm gonna take a look at this. Now this looks like you could easily convert this into a house. But to be honest, I'm looking for something quite small. Maybe something like that. So I'm gonna head that direction here in a little bit and see how much that little, I'm gonna say it's a yellow collar, cream collar, but I wanna try to get over there and take a look at that one. But first I'm gonna go into this building here and take a look, and they do have the metal roof up there. This is a good sized building here, so, and it's got like a regular door, about tripped there. All right, yeah, this is really good size here. Really wish they had the pricing on this one, but they do not. Might be able to find it online, but I'll get at the bottom here, at the, not the bottom, but the end of it. And I don't know if you can see the depth or not, but it's a pretty good sized building. You could definitely convert this into a little home for sure. But definitely really nice. You get a lot of walking in here. All right, I'm gonna go to the yellow or the cream building and take a look at it, see how much the price is on this particular one. This is about the right size for me. I don't know, this one here looks maybe a tad smaller. Like I said, I really don't need nothing big. This one might be a little bit smaller. I'll definitely go into that one as well. As I walked upon it, that one became smaller somehow. All right, I'm gonna go inside here, take a look. And this one does have pricing, so that's nice. I'll check out the pricing on this one. This is definitely something, you know, I would be looking at. I can see a little something going on there, so not a big fan so far of that. The door's wanting to shut on me and it takes away the light. But this particular one here is $3,245 and it's an 8x12. So I'd say an 8x12 to 8x10 is basically all I need. And this is 6'3" walls, it says. So this is something more into my ballpark right now for what I'm looking for. And this is the one right next to it, so I'm gonna go into this. And I must say I like this one a lot. This is really nice. Yeah, and it looks to be sealed up a little bit different than the other one we were just in. So this is even better than the last one. And this is $3,245, an 8x12, 6 foot by 3 walls. Roof color is brown, trim is brown paint, it says there. Not bad at all. I really like this one. All right, just for fun, I'm gonna go into this red one here, just because I like the way it looks. It looks like a little red barn, so I'm gonna check it out. And this one will be my last one I'm going in today. They have a lot on the lot, but I've seen pretty much what I needed to see as far as for my lawnmower goes. And they got a loft over here and one right up here. And this one's pretty nice. And this is $5,675, 10 by 16, 6 foot by 3 on the walls there. Yeah, and it gets a little dark when the light comes in on the camera, that's for sure. So I'll try to get you a better look at the window, but it might be a little difficult. And it looks like somebody's been drinking Venom energy drink there. Doesn't roll off the tongue too well. Venom energy drink. There you go. And what is that, about 160 calories per can? Yeah, that's what it says right there. Okay. All right, I am Michael from Michael and Jenny on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's probably not the most thrilling thing, but you know, I only get like an hour for lunch, so I try to get out and get back in there as soon as I can. Just want to get out and film because I enjoy filming. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave comments, ring the bell, whatever you like to do there. And most of all, thank you so much for watching. All right, bye-bye.